Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So welcome to our guide on Tretinoin Cream, your secret weapon to achieving fairless skin, whether you're struggling with acne, fine line or uneven skin tone. Tretinoin Cream has power to transform your skin complex. So Tretinoin Cream comes into two concentration like 0.025 and 0.05. Both are incredibly effective, but it's essentially choose a right concentration based on your skin needs, like sensitive skin. So what are the benefit on Tretinoin Cream? Let's break down it firstly. It stimulates collagen production, which help to reduce appearance of wrinkle, fine line, giving you smooth and more youthful looking skin. And secondly, Tretinoin Cream is unclog pores, prevent acne breakouts by increasing cell turnover, ensuring that dead skin cells don't clog your pores. So now let's talk about how to use Tretinoin Cream. Start by cleansing your face thoroughly and patting it dry. Then apply peel size of amount of Tretinoin Cream to your finger and gently massage into your skin, focusing of concern area. First of all, you can use 0.025 concentration. So it's essentially note that Tretinoin Cream can causes some irritation, dryness, redness, peeling your skin. Adjust the treatment. However, this side effect typically subside after a few weeks, leaving you beautiful and youthful skin and clear skin also. So if you're ready to unlock the power of Tretinoin Cream, achieving the skin you dream, give it a try today. So last rule. Now here are the golden rules and very important rule and last rule. Sunscreen is very important, and sunscreen is not negotiable when you using Tretinoin. If you use Tretinoin, your skin sensitivity, it's in sunlight it's more, like making UV protection it's must. Like you can use sunscreen SPF 30 or higher and reapply every 2 hours, especially when you are outdoor. So with Tretinoin Cream and proper sun protection, your skin on the way to a complex and radiant, confident, embarrassed journey, a healthier and more beautiful skin. So subscribe more skincare tips and tricks. Until next time, glow on. So thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, please subscribe and bye bye.